It is time to discover our color of the week. Let me get it. Are you ready to see it? Let me peek at our flashcard. It will help me know what color it is. I see it. Okay, I know what color it is. I've got it. It is the color red. Red is the color of my pencil. Red is the color of my pencil. Red is the color of my pencil. It's a red. Yes, the color of the pencil in my hand is red. I've got a red colored pencil. Now it's time for us to use our colored pencil to color. You know what it is. Flashcard! Today we're coloring the letter R. So let's go color the letter R red. Look, it's a rainbow. Rainbow starts with the letter, let me think. It starts with the letter R. R is for rainbow. You know what we have to do now. Let's color our letter R red. Yes, red also starts with the letter R. Let me get our red colored pencil. There it is. Okay, are you ready to color the letter R red? Let's do it. If you have your flashcard, you can pause this video and color the letter R, and then you can play it to see the outcome. Are you ready? Let's color it. There's our letter R. It's red. R is for rainbow. R is for rainbow. I hope you enjoyed coloring the letter R. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for coloring with me. You can send me a photo of your letter R on Instagram at Storytime Haven. Thank you for watching.